Let's embark on a journey to build a to-do application. This video will guide you through the essential project setup and foundation. We'll be using React for building user interfaces, Vite as our lightning-fast build tool, and modern CSS for styling our application. Before we dive into building the to-do app, let's make sure we have all the necessary tools. First, ensure that Node.js version 18 or higher is installed on your system. Next, you'll need a code editor. I recommend VS Code, but feel free to use your preferred editor. Now let's create our React project using Vite. Vite offers a super fast development experience, making it an ideal choice for our to-do app. Open your terminal and run the command npm create Vite at latest to-do app, template React. This command sets up a new React project named to-do app, using Vite. After creating the project, we need to set it up. First, navigate into the project directory by typing cd to-do app in your terminal. Once you're inside the project directory, install all the necessary dependencies by running the command npm install. This command downloads and installs all the packages required for our project. Let's take a quick look at the project structure. Inside the to-do app folder, you'll find a src folder containing app.jsx, app.css, main.jsx, and index.css. There is also a public folder, a package.json file, and a vite.config.js file. App.jsx is the main component file where we'll build our user interface, and main.jsx serves as the entry point for our React application. To start with a clean slate, let's remove some unnecessary files. First, remove the src/assets directory and public/vite file, as they are not needed for our project. Next, clear out the default styles in app.css and index.css to give us a blank canvas for our own styles. Now let's set up our basic app component. Open src/app.jsx and add the following code. This code defines a functional component named app that returns a simple div containing a heading that says to-do app. Finally, we export the app component as the default export. It's time to run our development server and see our app in action. To start the server, simply run the command npm run dev in your terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a message indicating that the development server has started. You can then access your to-do app by opening your web browser and navigating to http://localhost 5173. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.